Welcome to our tutorial on adding a profile photo on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps to personalize your Snapchat profile. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Next, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Select My Public Profile to access your profile settings. Then, tap on Edit Profile to make changes to your profile information. Choose to edit your profile picture by tapping on the existing image. From your camera roll, select a photo that you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've selected the desired photo, tap on Save Changes to update your profile with the new image. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add a profile photo to your Snapchat account, giving it a personal touch and making it uniquely yours. Enhance your Snapchat presence by customizing your profile with a photo that reflects your personality. Show off your individuality and make your profile stand out on Snapchat.